Welcome back to ReviewMobile, your trusted source for the latest mobile tech insights. Today, we're diving into an exciting flagship-level device that's making waves in the smartphone market, the Nokia X400 Ultra. With a blend of premium design, top-tier specs, and Nokia's signature durability, this phone is turning heads. Let's break down what makes the X400 Ultra a true powerhouse. Design and build quality. The Nokia X400 Ultra sports a sleek metal glass body with a matte finish that feels both premium and robust. It features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on both front and back, ensuring resistance against scratches and drops. At just 7.9 mm thin, it's surprisingly lightweight while maintaining a solid in-hand feel. The curved edges and symmetrical frame give it a modern, flagship-level aesthetic. Disney. Nokia has equipped the X400 Ultra with a stunning 6.78-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display. With a 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support, visuals are ultra-smooth and vibrant. Whether you're gaming, watching content, or scrolling through social media, this display delivers exceptional clarity and responsiveness. Peak brightness reaches up to 1800 nits, making it perfect for outdoor use. Performance. Under the hood, the X400 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This setup ensures top-tier performance, whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or gaming at high settings. Nokia has also optimized the software with a near-stock Android 14 experience, promising smooth navigation and timely updates. Camera system. Photography is another strong point for the X400 Ultra. It features a 200 megapixels primary sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 32 megapixels telephoto with 5x optical zoom. The results are sharp, detailed, and color accurate, even in low-light conditions thanks to advanced AI processing and OIS. The 60 megapixels front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, offering crisp and balanced output. Battery and charging. The device packs a 5,500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. It supports 100W fast charging and 50W wireless charging, so you're always ready to go in minutes. Nokia has also included advanced thermal management, keeping the device cool during intensive tasks. Final thoughts. The Nokia X400 Ultra is a bold statement from Nokia, signaling its return to the flagship arena. With cutting-edge performance, a stellar display, and top-tier cameras, this phone competes strongly against the best in the market. If you're looking for a premium Android experience with Nokia's signature reliability, the X400 Ultra is worth serious consideration. Thanks for watching. For more in-depth reviews and comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to ReviewMobile. Let me know if you want this script translated into Hindi or made more suitable for a voiceover.